So once your Codespace is up and running, you may come here and take a look at what Codespaces you have. But sometimes this name is not very useful because it doesn't give you any context on which code base it came from. And you will want to rename it. So I'll show you two places where you can go and rename your Codespace. The first is right here. If I click next to it, there's a button that says rename. So I can give a new name, which could be Tweet ERA. And then as I hit save, I at least have an idea that which code base it is coming from. And the other way where you can go is click here, go to Codespaces, and you will see all the code bases that says right here for you. And here also you can come and click on rename, and you can say Tweet CRA TypeScript. And this will rename your Codespace right away. So if you go to this Codespace code base and click here, this name should reflect. And it's because it's the same Codespace that you are referring to from two different locations. So I hope that this is useful.